Alright guys, I'm going to play the Switch later. Let me just gonna take it off. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you something really cool today. Guess what? This is one of my late birthday gifts. Sorry about that. This is one of my late birthday gifts. It's the Beeline bus. Bus toy model. Are you guys excited? Hold on, let me get those friends. Are you guys excited? Yeah, I want a hug. No, not now. Unbox first. Then. Alright. Alright, can't wait to see it. Alright guys, those friends are right here. Are seeing this, they're sleeping. Alright, can't wait to see the bus. Alright then, all the friends are going to see the bus. Alright then, here we go. Alright, I can't wait to see it. Alright. Alright guys. Let me get the pencil. I'm not gonna show it because I'm a family member. So I don't want to get canceled and I'm 14. Because I must be 21 because I don't want to get any. Oh, there we go. You know what? Jesus Christ. I need to get a scissors. Hold on. Hold on, I'll be right back. Here we go. I just cut the scissors. I'm not going to show it because I don't want to get canceled. Here we go. Let's see what it is. Yes, it is. There it is. Cover up. Sorry, guys. A little stuck. Alright, there it is. Alright, guys. Here's the bus. This is a 2006 Orion Transit Beeline bus. This is limited edition, so I have to order it. This is what it looks like. I'll turn on the light. Sorry guys, let me move my Switch away here. Alright then, here's the bus. It says mass require on it. I think someone had another user take a picture. It says 1W white planes on the... I don't know, it doesn't say 1W, but in the picture, yes. But it says Yonkers on it. Well, it's not my hometown actually. But I wish. Alright, now we're gonna go unbox it. It looks kind of rare. Hold on, let's take a picture. If you have this bus toy, then go get it now. It's not sponsored by Iconic, oh crap, hold on. I don't want to hurt my fingers. Hold on. Alright, hold on, wait. About that, alright, we're not sponsored by, Iconic Kaplows, I don't know. We're not sponsored by Beeline. Because I do not own anything. Alright, let's go unbox this. The Let's Go Luna pillow might be tomorrow or next week. Here's the bus. It says 6 Yonkers. Sadly, what... Hold on, guys. It's just my dad calling. I don't want to call him right now. I'm too busy. I gotta be careful because it's monoly. Alright, here's the bus. That bus model looks like Grand Theft Auto or GTA. Yeah. Alright guys, here's the bus. 6 Yonkers, the number says 704. The articulated bus might be coming soon after the regular buses. I'm going to post a showcase later, so I'm going to put it down right here. Look at the scale. Let me see the scale of the bus right here. Oh, crap. Sorry about that. Alright, here it is. They should sell this at the Trans Museum also. This is not fake, this is real. I'm going to put some advertisements in the printer. Well, it doesn't stick. I'm going to put McDonald's or the Simpsons movie, which is released in 2007. Or Grimace Shake advertisement from McDonald's, so. Alright guys, this is the 6 Yonkers unboxing video. Let's put it right here. Let me get a tray for the scale. Well, I don't have a spin scale for that because I used to have one, but it was for the kitchen only. I'm not gonna use it, it's in the kitchen. Well, I'm not gonna use it right now because it's a little dusty. Maybe I'll try the next toy unboxing. First, I'm going to find a tray. So, oh, there it is. I'm going to use this from the lunch school tray. Well, this is not the school. I just order it in Target. My mom just buy this. I think Target or ShopRite. Well, don't get confused. These videos are not skits. We didn't do anything wrong. Let's put a camera down here and then we'll have a big scale of this bus. Oh, keeps rolling. Alright, gotta hurry. I'm gonna try if I could go to the church today, I don't know. Alright, here's the bus, let's take a look. Alright. I'll take a picture right here. Alright, in the back also. Alright guys, so this is it. Alright guys, I hope you like it, so thanks for watching. And have a great day and peace out. Alright, that'll be it. And also one more thing. Sadly, the Orion V's buses in real life, they got discontinued. They don't have any anymore. Only some few adult Orions and baby Orion buses, like the Loop in White Plains. The Loop F that goes to White Plains to Tarrytown, well, it goes to next to Stop and Shop in the Marriott Hotel in Tarrytown, which is between Grimberg and Ellsford. Sadly, the real ones, they got removed and discontinued. Well, I hope Baby Orion's doesn't. The Baby Orion V's in real life. Because they got replaced to a new flyer. I hope similar to a New Jersey Transit bus is not going to be discontinued. I don't know if it is. I think probably they're going to keep it because they're not going to think if everybody hates modern V-Line bus in real life. Alright guys. Alright, that'll be it. Bye.